All right, guys. Eastwood finally got me my replacement torch lead. They had to make a batch of them, they told me, so ordered it like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it finally came in. Gonna see if I can't figure out how to get the old one off, because I've never had it off. I wasn't the one that put it on. Let's see if I can get it off. See if it's something I think I can accomplish. Wish me luck.
0.0 luck seconds.
After much finger-lating, I found that there was a wing nut on the inside of the welder. Hopefully I'm getting that. I'm gonna move around real slow just so I do. Just loosen that wing nut. Of course, loosen your connection out here on the front of the welder. And she comes right
0 people.
So, get my welding cart cleaned out and get it over here into position. Get this new one put on, that way I can put the welder back over in it. Guys, I'm sorry. There's something on my phone called screen orientation. So normally when you flip an iPhone from side to side, the screen will get wider. Well, that kind of doesn't work for me since I have to touch on my phone. So every time I move around or tip my phone, the screen orients differently. So I have to turn screen lock orientation on. And I forgot about that, and I was recording all those other videos with my phone sideways, and so y'all probably got a crooked view of all that, or a sideways view. But I'm back. Here we are, hooked up. Apologize again. New torch lead. Gonna get the welding cart over here, get it put in there, and I'll try not to give y'all the sideways view anymore. Sorry. Got her spooled back up. Not gonna lie, it was hard, and I wasted about 117 foot of wire. That's an exaggeration. I did waste some wire, but got it spooled back up, got it refed, got wire coming out the gun. Everything's back to working as it should. Now just to put it on the welding cart. There it is, back fixed and operational. I had to get somebody over to do some welding for me. As usual, Cash App and, no, not Cash App, my GoFundMe and Facebook are in the comments, or in the description. I've had a long day, y'all, and it's hot. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe. Keep chipping away at it.